Exclusive T-handle for easy operation even with gloves on. Pro Armor Kill Switch features a T-handle knob for easier pulling to reset the switch and an internal O-ring for proper sealing to prevent contaminants from entering the main body. Universal design works with any ATV. The durable plastic housing allows for years of abuse. Included adapter allows you to use this with both stock and race-style handlebars. Kill switch install kit and wrist strap sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great safety tether. This was a very affordable option for a safety tether in my 2014 Polaris 800 snowmobile. Straightforward install, just had to splice a connector on the end of it and hook it into the harness on my snowmobile. Works great and very sturdy.